How can I tell them apart? There are many acids and bases in your home. Soap, vinegar, lemon juice, baking soda, and ammonia are all examples of acids and bases. How do you know which is an acid and which is a base? The easy way is to check my pH list of common chemicals. If you had litmus paper, acid changes its color from blue to red. Bases don't change the color of litmus paper, though they can return the blue color to paper that has been made red. If you don't have litmus paper, there are other properties that distinguish acids from bases. Acids taste sour while bases taste bitter. Bases tend to feel slippery on your fingers. Acids and bases react with each other to form salt and water. Acids react with many metals to produce hydrogen gas. Both acids and bases can conduct an electric current in an aqueous solution, so you can't use that characteristic to tell them apart.
Neutralization reaction is a reaction which an acid and a base interact with the formation of salt, with a strong acid and base. The essential reaction is a combination of hydrogen ions with hydroxyl ions to form water. Basically, a neutralization reaction is a reaction that has an acid and a base.
As professionals engaged in some aspect of wildlife science, a significant amount of your time will be spent communicating with other professionals through writing. A science paper has been defined as a written and published report describing original research results. The watchwords of scientific writing are clearly, briefly, and organization, which are essential because scientists usually read scientific literature for some information and not entertainment. Your task as an author is to convey information quick and clearly. To write a scientific paper, you generally will use the format and style described below, although there are many exceptions depending on where your material will be printed and to whom your audience is. However, although formats and styles vary from time to time and place to place, to clear and organized style does not. An accurate presentation of the information at hand is worth of beauty and excitement in its ability to convey maximum information in minimum space and reader time.
There are two systems in place to provide proper solutions, with one compensating the problems with the other. Firstly, the lungs can be used to control the amount of CO2 in the blood, thereby controlling the quantity of hydrogen ions that can react with the HCO3 buffer. Secondly, the kidneys can remove both hydrogen and HCO3 from the blood through various mechanisms. Each system therefore independently after blood pH.